Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Walmart and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to this sign here of airplane mode. You will turn on your airplane mode, and then you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.